Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine with one single prompt. So all you have to do here is create an account on ChatGPT, and as you can see here, I have pasted the question like how to turn ChatGPT into money-making prompt. So ChatGPT can basically give you ideas on how to create or how to make money with just one single prompt. But let's just say you don't have any idea what to do or what niche you're about to create, or let's just say if you're a content creator, what are the topics that you can do in order for you to generate income. So I have here the one single prompt. All you have to do is to copy this. Okay, ChatGPT generate this. You have to copy and then paste. And now you need to provide the following information about yourself so that ChatGPT can give you idea what to do and the step-by-step procedures on how to generate income with this one single prompt. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste. Let's just say I am a video editor, or let's just say YouTube video editor, something like that. You need to provide everything here, like your per hour, or let's just say hours that you can work per day. You also need to add your budget right here and also your goal for your income so that ChatGPT can basically calculate everything and analyze everything according to your information. So once you have done added this, then press enter. ChatGPT will show you this one. What are the things that you can do, or what are the work or jobs, step-by-step procedures on how to generate income with the help of the idea or with the help of the information that you have added here. So what to sell, you can see it right here. Where to sell, basically ChatGPT will give you some ideas on where you can sell your product. Let's just say if you're a video creator or content creator, you can sell your videos to Fiverr. You can look for jobs in Upwork and other platforms. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to know first what niche or what type of videos you're about to create. So for example, if you want to focus on tutorial videos, and then you can just basically focus on YouTube long form or short form faceless video or faceless channels. Now that you know where to sell or how to use ChatGPT and what to do, then you need to know also what are the materials you need in order for you to start. So let's just say if you want to create a YouTube channel, you must have a YouTube channel and then know what type of videos you're about to create. But if you don't have YouTube channel, then what you're going to do is you have to create an account on either Fiverr, Upwork, or other tools where you can sell or where you can promote yourself and look for jobs and clients. So let's just say I'll be focusing on YouTube automation, editing faces channels, like how-to tutorials, let's just say. So basically, you can ask help from ChatGPT on how to start with making tutorials. So if you don't know how to create script or what to do, how to create that tutorial, then you can ask ChatGPT for that. So basically, let's just say I want to generate income with using or with creating how-to tutorials, then I can ask ChatGPT for step-by-step procedure. Now that I know where to sell or what to do, then I can proceed to the next step, which is I'm going to create an account here on Fiverr. So in Fiverr, all you have to do is to sign up, provide the details they need. You also need a valid ID and so on. So once you have created an account right here, you can post your videos and clients will see these videos and they will contact you if they want to hire you. Also, aside from Fiverr, you can also promote yourself with the help of Upwork. You can create an account on Upwork too and find clients and customers. So basically, let's just say you have created your Fiverr, then what you're going to do next is you're going to create your how-to tutorial videos. And how are you going to do that? Again, you can go to ChatGPT and ask for a help. So let's just say you want a step-by-step procedure or script for how-to tutorials like how to create or how to use Canva as beginners. Or you can ask more ideas from ChatGPT of what topics are trending these days. Okay, so ChatGPT will give you this. ideas, and all you have to do is to select what kind of topic you want to focus. So, for example, if it's about Canva, it's about Notion, CapCut, then you can just basically ask ChatGPT again for a script or for a step-by-step procedure on how to create that. So as you can see, you can copy this or you can create your own. Everything is up to you. Once done, then what you're going to do is press enter, and then ChatGPT will show you a sample script for that. What you're going to do is you need to download a screen recorder tool, for example, Bandicam, in order for you to start. If you're going to use your PC or if you're going to use your phone, you can download a screen recorder application in order for you to start. Follow the instruction. After that, you can use CapCut for voiceover or Canva for editing. And then basically that's it. You can now post this one. You can now upload this to your Fiverr, to Upwork, find clients or find customers. And basically that's how easy it is. So I hope this video helped you. This is how to turn ChatGPT into a money making machine with one single prompt. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.